Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Nadula Hair. They sent me this bomb brown color wig, and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all everything that I did to get this look. Sis, when I say I loved it, I literally loved it. So let's get right into the video. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Nadula hair. This company is literally never disappoint. Literally, they never disappoint. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with Nadula hair. It will be in the description box, as well as their Instagram and their website. Literally everything that you need to know, sis. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. And I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time, go shop with Nadula hair.